Oh come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel that mourns in lonely exile here, until the Son of God appear. Oh, come, O Key of David, come, and open wide our heavenly home. Make safe and close to me. Shall come to the Lord of might, who to your tribes and